Some of the most important landmarks in the United States include feats of architecture and modern engineering. San Francisco, California, is a beautiful city on its own, but it is also home to the Golden Gate Bridge, a 1.7-mile suspension bridge connecting the San Francisco Peninsula to the Marine Headlands. The bridge holds the title of one of the wonders of the modern world according to the American Society of Civil Engineers. One of the most popular ways to appreciate the bridge is to take an excursion to the Golden Gate National Recreation Area just outside of San Francisco. The park contains hiking trails, great spots for picnicking, and offers some of the best vantage points for panoramic photographs of the bridge leading into the city. David recently had some friends visit him in San Francisco, and he made sure to include a visit to the recreation area as part of their tour. They enjoyed walking through the trails, observing some of the native wildlife, and even having a casual picnic in the park. David's friends were thankful that he guided them through this impressive area of California. They made sure to take a group photograph with the Golden Gate Bridge in the background. David's friends had the picture framed and they later presented it to David in order to thank him for his hospitality during their stay.